How to make money online? This thing is one of the most asked question. A lot of people ask me this question, that how can I make money online. So the only thing that I recommend you is that make videos on this platform or any kind of platform. The only one method right now in 2022, the best method is content curating. If you don't know how to become a content curator, then I already have a video. I'm gonna in that video I have shared 3 tips that you need to have to become a content curator. Tap the link to watch that video. But in this video, we are going to talk about how you can make money from content curating. So right now in 2022, the only best method that I think to make money is content curating. Not this platform. I'm not talking about only YouTube. You can become content curator on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram. There are a lot of platforms, TikTok, and make videos on these platforms and then earn money online. Like this YouTube, you can also make money on YouTube. I have already told you that this platform can help you make millions of dollars, thousands of dollars, millions of dollars per month. So the only thing that you need to have is a content curating. You need to know how to make attractive content. If you make something special, then you'll get more money. Like you have to do something is special that no one have done in the history of YouTube. So if and now you think that it's very hard, but it's not hard. You need to make something special that that makes the audience subscribe your channel, and that will I mean there are only 2 things that you need to do. First, you need to do is that make a content where audience can get some value, some information, or make something special. So these 2 things will help you grow your channel on YouTube. Second, make a valuable content where your audience can get information and they can learn something from your video. And if you do this first thing, then you'll also get more views, more likes, more watch time, and more subscriber. And if you get these things, then you'll absolutely get more money. And second thing, if you don't know how to make informative video, then you can make a special video. I mean, do something is special that no one have done before on YouTube. So do something is special, and then you'll absolutely get a bunch of views and more subscribers. So this is the method to earn money from content creating. I recommend you to make informative video, and also I recommend you to do something special. So try to do these 2 things. Also make informative video, and try to do something special on YouTube. So your audience will be engaged, and they will subscribe your channel, and they will love to watch your video. Just do it, and you'll absolutely get more video, more watch time, more money from YouTube or from any kind of another platform. So that's it. I hope that you have understood how to make money on YouTube, or how to grow your channel. I have told you these 2 things in this channel, in this one video. So that's it. See you soon. Peace.